These are some Carrier central air conditioners at my church. This one is missing the data sheet. This is probably from about 2004 or 05. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. Thing's not focusing well. Can't really get a great view. And this one right here is running. Has 3 different tonnages on it, so I'm not really sure what the size is. Let's see, this is from 2000? Oh, 1998. 1998. Don't know how many number of tons it is. These are straight cool units. There's another Carrier over here. Not running. Yeah, there's a lot of air conditioners here. 1999. It's probably about like an 8 or a 9 ton. I don't know what kind of compressor that is. And over here's a large bunch of air conditioners. And a lot of them are running. A couple of Mitsubishi electric ductless units right here. Yeah, this is... I think that these two right here are straight cool units, but I don't know for sure. It just says condensing unit, and I've seen that on both straight cool units and heat pumps. Mostly straight cools. This is a 2 ton, and this is a 1 ton. With a couple of barred wall mount units over there. A couple of Tranes. These are Odysseys right here. Here's another Odyssey. And unlike regular Odysseys, these have the drill guards. It's got a huge compressor. I'm gonna get a better view of that. This is probably like a 10 ton. Only one way to... A 20 ton! A 20 ton. Let's see. Yeah, that's an Odyssey. Where's the manufacture date? I can't find the manufacturer. Oh, yeah, there it is. August of 2014. Carrier. Some Carriers. I'm not really going to get the data on too many of these. There's no data sheet on this one. The Trane right here. Just a base model, or is this a... Yeah, that's a straight cool unit. December of 2015. 2.5 ton. Some more units over here. Size of this unit is. That's got a weird compressor as well. Let's see if I can get it. There it is. And here's another Carrier. With no data sheet. This one is from 1999. It is. Also got one of those compressors. And these are all straight cool units. there's some more units over here. A lot more units. And there's some more Odysseys, dual zone Odysseys. There's another ductless unit right there, Mitsubishi Electric, and there's 3 more units right there. There's a Coleman, a Carrier, and another Trane. Oh wait, that's not a Coleman. That's a Luxair. It looks like, I thought this was a Coleman. It kind of looks like a Coleman. Yeah, it's a Luxair. I believe this is a rebadged York. Yeah, this is a straight cool unit. And this train was put in only a couple years ago, just like all the ductless units. And all the ductless units in this church were put in like 2014 or 15. A lot of units here were. A couple years ago, it just used to be these 2 right here. This one is a lot newer. See if I'll get the data off of this one. Oh, this is a heat pump? Oh, I thought these were straight cool units. June of 2016. Yeah, see if I can find the reversing valve. It's behind this panel, I believe. Okay, I can't really find it. I see the filter dryer. Oh, there it is. Yeah, this one's a heat pump. That's kind of surprising. The thing's got a huge compressor. There's another Carrier right there. Yeah. Oh. Okay, scared the heck out of me. There's a huge gas meter right there. Couple. This one has the dual compressor. Don't know how you can see that, but this one does have the dual compressors. There it is right there. I'm trying to get the best view of it as I can. Yeah, it doesn't say Odyssey on it, but I'm pretty sure this is an Odyssey. Oh yeah, yeah, it says it right there. This is, where's the date? March of 2005. 10 ton. That's a 10 ton. Same thing. Yeah. There's another Odyssey right behind the plants there. You get a better view of it. Yeah, it's not running right now. I'm pretty sure that's a straight cool. And there's another ductless unit over there. Oh, it's a Carrier. I think that's the only one that was original to the church before work was free. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I believe that Carrier is from 2004. I think I might have read the data sheet on this one before. I don't remember. Yeah, Carrier ductless unit right here. I don't think the people here use this thing. I mean, the disconnect box is shut off. I mean, I'm pretty sure it still works, but it must have something to do with the part it cools the church. Yeah, this is from 2004, 2 ton. Straight cool unit. Yeah, the suction lines are a little bit rusted. Carrier ductless unit. And all of, or most of the units at this church, if not all, have numbers on them because there's a storage room for each unit. And there is a Trane XR around the church. I think it's quite distant from here, and it'd be a boring part to see me walk over to it. So you know what? I'll just edit the video, and it will probably be in a little bit. But yeah, this is a 2004 2-ton Carrier mini split straight cool air conditioner with, see, is this R22? This is probably R20. Oh, there's. Oh, I got the manufacturer date right here. August 16th, 2004. So this thing just turned 14 a little over a week ago. Alright, I'll be back. Here is the Tranes XR. Oh, this is a heat pump as well. There's the reversing valve right there. It's obviously running in cool mode. Yeah, this is from July of 2016. This is a 2-ton, I assume. Let's see, R4 refrigerant. Can't tell what kind of compressor it has. I think it has a scroll. Mine's nice and cold. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. The air handlers to the condensing units. There's the furnace. Out.